Hi everyone, welcome to Wellness Wednesday. My name is Brianna and I'm a registered dietitian here with CentraCare Weight Management and Functional Medicine. And today I am going to be showing you how to use a spiralizer. So a spiralizer is kind of a fun kitchen gadget and it is great for making vegetable pasta and also different vegetable salads. So a spiralizer can be used with a variety of vegetables. Zucchini to make zucchini pasta, otherwise known as zoodles. Sweet potatoes or potatoes to make hash browns. It can also be used with carrots, cucumbers, summer squash, butternut squash, and even beets. A spiralizer works best with produce that is straight. If your produce isn't straight, just cut it into straight sections. I have the zucchini here. I already cut off the end and it's all set to go. So now all you do is press it against the blade and twist. Your spiralized veggies go straight into this mason jar. These zoodles are going to be a great replacement for spaghetti noodles, and they're very easy to prepare. All you do is pop them in the oven on a baking sheet for a few minutes, or throw them in a pan with a little bit of olive oil. Thanks for tuning in to this week's Wellness Wednesday, and we'll see you next week.